Welcome everyone. In this tutorial we will have a brief understanding of VAT, its report, and the filing process through WEB POS. Moving on to today's topics, we will see what is a VAT report, which transactions are majorly included in a VAT report, where to view the VAT report, monthly VAT return filing process, and how and where the VAT return report could be uploaded. At first, let's look into our first topic. What is a VAT report? Now a VAT is a value-added tax, which is a consumption tax imposed on the value at each stage of the supply chain, from the production or purchase of goods or services to their sales to the consumer. After that, a VAT report is a document that summarizes all the VAT-related transactions of a business for a specified period. Now, let's look into which transactions are majorly included in a VAT report. Purchase invoice, which includes a trading purchase, capitalized purchase, import purchase, debit note, and purchase reverse, and sales invoice, which includes sales tax invoice, abbreviated tax invoice and credit note. Now let's look into our third topic, which is where to view the VAT report. Let's look into the application. We will purchase some trading and non-trading products. Then perform a purchase reverse and debit note. Now let's view the VAT report of those transactions that we have performed. Simply go to the report, click on VAT report, and from that drop-down select VAT purchase register report. Now a pop-up filter option will appear on the screen, where you can select these filters to load your VAT purchase register report. After that, let's look into the date range selection, where you can select the date to view the report of any particular date, as we have done the transaction today, so we will select today's date to load the report. Now a division selection. A division is a branch office, where business is conducted. You can also view the report of another branch according to the role and rights that are given to that specific user. As you can see, all has been set as the default division. Simply click on this drop-down and select the branch where your office is located. We will choose Demo as the branch. After that, Suppliers selection, where you can select any particular suppliers that you have created through the Party Master. Click on this section and press Enter to select the suppliers as per your requirement. For this video we will not select any suppliers. Now you can see the filter option where you can choose what to be displayed in the report. As we have performed all of these transactions, we will continue with it. After that, there are still two filter options. If you tick the first tick box, then it will divide the report according to the purchase invoice and debit note, and display the subtotal of each divided group in the report. And if you tick the second box, then it will display the summary of the report. For now we will not tick these boxes, and it will display all of the items that are purchased in each invoice. After that, click on Run to view the VAT Purchase Register Report. This is the VAT Purchase Register Report generated by IMS software. Now if you look at the format of this VAT Purchase Register Report, then it cannot be changed. It is the report format set by the Inland Revenue Department of Nepal. All the purchase transactions that we have performed and the filter option that was ticked have been displayed here. Now if you look at the top left corner of this page, there are a few options from where you can edit this report, and download this report in Excel sheet on your device. Let's look at those options one by one. After that, click on the first option or press F2 on your keyboard, and it will open a pop-up menu, where you can change the filter and run the VAT Purchase Register Report again. For now we will tick the subtotal in report, and click on Run. As you can see, the report has been divided according to their invoice number, and the subtotal of each divided group is loaded in the report. Now we will again go to the filter option and untick the first box, and tick the second box, which is Show Bill-wise Summary Report. It will display the VAT Register Report in summary. This is the VAT Purchase Register Report in summary. Now you can also download this VAT Purchase Register Report in Excel sheet on your device. Simply click on this icon or press F9 on your keyboard, and it will download the VAT Purchase Register Report. Open the downloaded Excel file. This is the VAT Purchase Register Report that has been downloaded in Excel sheet. After that, you can get this report in PDF by clicking on this icon or press F7 on your keyboard. which will download the VAT Purchase Register Report in PDF. Open the downloaded file. This is the VAT Purchase Register Report in PDF. Now click on this last option or press Shift plus Tab on your keyboard, and it will display the list of reports that are loaded. As we have loaded only one report, so it has displayed only one report name, and that is the VAT Purchase Register Report. After that, let's make a quick transaction of sales, which includes of abbreviated tax invoice, sales tax invoice, and credit note. Now after completing all of the transactions, simply go to Report, click on VAT Report, and from that drop-down select VAT Sales Register Report. After that, a pop-up filter option will appear on your screen. Simply select the date range, as we have performed the transaction today, so we will select today's date. Now select your division from this drop-down. If you want to display the VAT register report of any specific customer, then you can select the customer from this section. As we have performed all of the transaction, we will continue with it. As you can see in this section, you may choose whether to display the abbreviated tax invoice in detail, or in summary depending on your needs. After that, click on Run to view the VAT Sales Register Report. This is the VAT Sales Register Report generated by IMS software. Now if you look at the format of this VAT Sales Register Report, then it cannot be changed. It is the report format set by the Inland Revenue Department of Nepal. After that, if you want to update anything in the report, then you can simply click on this icon and a filter option will appear on the screen, from where you can change it accordingly to your requirement. Now you can also download this VAT Sales Register Report. Simply click on this icon to download it in an Excel sheet, or press this icon to download this report in PDF. After that, click on this icon to view the loaded report list. Now let's look into our fourth topic, which is the monthly VAT return filing process. Before filling out the VAT report in the Inland Revenue Department website, we will calculate the total amount of taxable, non-taxable, and VAT of each voucher in the Excel sheet that we have performed. Now we will open an Excel sheet to calculate the VAT payable amount that we need to pay to the government. As we have already set this format in the Excel sheet for your understanding. If you look at the format that we have set, then we have simply divided purchase and sales into two parts, where we will fill the amount in it through the Excel sheet that we have downloaded. Now we will start filling this format from the purchase side, where we will open the VAT Purchase Register Report that we have downloaded in the Excel sheet. After that, we will start by filling in the voucher number. Then in this column simply enter the value of the non-taxable and taxable amount of this particular voucher from the Excel sheet. Now enter the VAT amount that is added to the taxable item of that particular voucher. After that, continue to enter the voucher that are available in this report. As we have 4 vouchers, so we will upload all of their non-taxable, taxable, and VAT amount. Now simply calculate the total of this non-taxable, taxable, and VAT. We will enter the same total amount for each column here. As you can see in this VAT on purchase row, we have indicated it as A, just to make sure that it will be easy for you to understand the calculation. Now, let's look into the sales part. We will again open the VAT Sales Register Report that was downloaded in the Excel sheet. Similarly, we will again start entering the voucher number, the non-taxable, taxable, and VAT amount of that voucher. After that, we will enter all the vouchers that are entered in this Excel sheet, with their non-taxable, taxable, and VAT amounts. Now simply calculate the total of this each column. After that, we will enter the same total amount of each column here. As you can see in this VAT on sales, we have indicated it as B, just to make sure that it will be easy for you to understand the calculation. Now let's focus on the total VAT that should be provided to the government. we will simply subtract B, which is VAT on sales, and A, which is VAT on purchase. After that, if there are any VAT receivables, then you can simply subtract from VAT on purchase, with VAT on sales. Now, after completing all of the calculations, we will simply go to the Inland Revenue Department website to fill in the same calculation that we have performed. Please visit the IRD website through the link in the description. After that, simply click on this section, a new tab will open, then click on this VAT section, and from that drop down first click on the VAT return entry, where you have to enter the necessary data and get the submission number. Now that we have logged in with our information, we will move to the page where we will enter the VAT of purchase and sales, that we have calculated in our Excel sheet. Although the VAT return file is submitted at the end of the month, for this video we have prepared the report for today so that you can understand the calculation that we will execute. After that, fill in all the necessary data for these sections as per your requirement. Now, in this sales section we have to enter the total taxable sales. Simply we will open the Excel sheet and put the exact number of total taxable sales that we have calculated. After that, put the total VAT of sales in this section and the total non-taxable in this section. Now let's look into the purchase section. Simply open the Excel sheet and copy the total of VAT purchases and paste it here in this section. After that, from the Excel sheet put the total VAT of purchase in this column and the total non-taxable in this section. Now, if you look at this section, the website will automatically calculate the values that we calculated in the Excel sheet. To save this VAT return file, proceed to the bottom of this page, tick this box first, then click Submit. Finally, let's look into our last topic, which is how and where should a VAT return filing be uploaded. Now after submitting the VAT return file, click on this General section, and from that drop-down click on Taxpayer Login, where a new tab will open. Login into this page through the detail provided by the IRD. After that, click on Verification to see if there is any previous VAT payable. As we have already validated, we will proceed to the next phase. Now click on VAT Sales and Purchase Register Upload. Again log in with your username and password. After login into that page, simply click on Billing Register, and from that drop down you will be able to see two options. From the first option you will be able to upload the VAT Register report, and from the second option you will be able to download the format where we will update the VAT Register report of purchase, purchase return, sales, and sales return. At first, we will download the format. Simply click on this download section and the format will be downloaded on your device. Now, open the downloaded sales format of the Excel sheet, and just copy the portion of sales that is in the report, and paste it here. For credit note, simply untick the two filter options and click Run, or you can get the report from the Credit Note Register report. For this video, we will use the same report as we have only one credit note. Now copy the data and paste it here. After that, click on Upload to upload that Excel sheet to the IRD website. Click on Add, then select the fiscal year and month and click on Add File. Then select the type of report, enter the description as per your requirement, and click on this Upload button. It will open the device storage from where you will be able to select the Excel sheet of a sales report that we have filled. To add more files, simply click on Add Files. After that, click the Submit button to submit this data to IRD. We sincerely hope that watching this video helped you to understand what is a VAT report, which transactions are majorly included in a VAT report, where to view the VAT report, monthly VAT return filing process, and how and where the VAT return report could be uploaded. Please visit the link in the description for the sample format of VAT reports. If you have any questions, please contact us through IMS support.